Hello guys, welcome back to another garage door video update. So here's what we're going to look at today. Alright guys, so here's what we're looking at today. This center door right here, guys, doesn't have an opener. So the middle one right there that I see the lights on used to be here, but we moved it over here because one of the Stanleys are broken. And the reason why it's broken is because it had a mechanical problem. So here's the Stanley. Alright, so here's the Stanley. Alright guys, before we move on to the LiftMaster, I just want to show you guys the Stanley and Chamberlain closing. So here we go. Alright, now we're going to move on to the LiftMaster in the next clip. See you there. Okay guys, so here is the LiftMaster like I mentioned after the first clip. So here it is. Here goes that. Then here it goes down. Alright, now we're going to move on to the Genie in the next part. See you there. Okay, so here's the Genie, like I mentioned after the LiftMaster. So here it is. Alright, so that's it for these openers. Now I'm going to include about 3 more new openers in this update, so see you there! Hello guys, so here's the genie in the next part I was telling you guys. But I'll put these two parts in one whole video. So here, before I open it, this little switch right there, next to the big one, controls the genie. Alright, here it goes. Here it goes down. Okay, so that was the second clip. Now, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are just going to do one opener in this video, so we're going to do the Craftsman. So this big one right here opens the Craftsman, so here we go. And here it goes down.